Big up Crosses TV.
Crafty Stevie, bad my blood clot.
Now tell myself something better than nobody either, but me tell you when me come in, my blood clot come in. I mean I think when me come in. Oh, when me come in, me come in. Remember me did one here and tell you, when me come in when me come in. Yeah, walk a call on every blood clot body for me. Shannon, nobody can't tell me where to do and how to do. So you could have called my mother to come over. Once you call my mother and she call me and my sister you she talk but I just say mommy later me dey on the road, me I deal with something. Yeah, kill the conversation. My mother don't me no want to talk about that. You understand? Yeah. So go and go call her and tell her where you want to tell her. And listen to this and listen to that, and Big One do me this and Big One do me that, and don't tell her what you do. Don't tell her what you do. Remember me tell you, everybody have to busy. I mean, I run joke, but I talk with blood clot joke on my face. I'm serious as a judge. Everything have to busy. Cause when me a fight, me no make girl roll on pop me. Her boy roll on pop me and talk about done. I make you come joke me. That not work, so. That not work, so. When me are busy, anybody will come on the dance floor have to busy. Oh. Remember my blood clot tell her, and Shannon, you now want to play with me. You tell me if I click my life like you think you have blood clot secret for me. I have stick over my head. Me no make Batman have stick over my head. Make them tell you about me. Me no run them the joke there. Me no make people have stick over my head. Anything I'm tell nobody, I think so everybody can know. Me I want look up ask anybody that about me. Ask about one family them. Once me tell somebody something, anybody can know it. So things when me don't want nobody to know, me not tell nobody at all. Me don't trust people. Come talk about this and blood clot that. Me and your friend. Me and your friend. Right? We use it as an example, Cheese.
No, sir.
Me and your friend, Cheese. What kind of competition me for one blood clot in a with you?
So you're in a competition?
Me and you can in a competition? I contest? You want to challenge me? You want blood clot challenge me? You know, so I'm going to try the towel like here with it, the blood clot. Wow, nobody that challenge with you. You can't see my power yet. No. I have to see it probably there when I'm ready for your seat. Nobody man can't boots me for do not what me no want to do. And none of you can't force me for do not what me no want to do. Yeah? None of you can't boots me, can't force me, can't talk me out for do not what me no want to do. Anything I want to do, it get fucking done. Yeah? It get done. And me I want boy, if I say I want this, or I want that, and I mean some I want it, I have to blood clot get it. Have to. I thought someone for take one turn just so.
6 minutes.
Yeah, but it's just 6 minutes, but like, you see what?
If you drive go over this and take a turn. Grand Concourse Service Road.
Of course, you know him do all blood clot, I say I comment, you know him do the girl printer or something, you know the way them bad mind, the way shot at bad mind already in a blood clot. You know when the girl no printer or something for do her partner and her own robin, God don't like ugly Batman, God don't like blood clot ugly. You want to come on social media with me? The girl printer or something and put him in her partner and something, you know what him do? Tell her, say, listen, I don't want the problem, and them tell me, say, you're not going to pay me my money. And Ray, come ask me, you know, say, Big one, you go to a partner. I say, listen to me, I go to a partner with other. You know, me a boy, when me talk, me not afraid to talk when me talk. Because no boy, I can't lick me. But say me not going out with a partner, because me no want can't get my money out there. I think so, skin blood clot business me depend when me want my own. And me no want can't get my money. Him say him not better go with them, my love. Cause him hear from somebody else say, only I go take him money. You understand? So him say him not better go in there. You see the way him not better go in there? Him take the blood clot girl something, everybody where him see that going on the girl something, him send them and tell them say him at the bank and this and that.
Okay.
And take over the girl blood clot something. And you know what God do? Him run up in a blood clot. You see when me come on internet and me attack? Me talk everything and mix up every blood clot. Body all them can do, I say me go and mix up. Them can't lick me and them can't make no man but can lick me. Cause me not promise them that a blood clot. You know what I got do? Him run up and have Chisby, you know. See me, come my friend. She just take a jump on him dirty blood clot and don't pay back. Mash up the part that go ahead and move your blood clot. Can't play with me.
Murder.
That jack shop.
And tell our friend them say, take on the jar and don't throw no more. You hear him now? What on pan the girl money now? She not money, you know. She not feel it now for everybody, you know. Can I hear him now? I hear Chisby a friend. I make Chisby give you the money. Chisby say me take the money for the ticket. Then when you get on that payment. Me I mix up every blood clot body so they not play with me.
Stop saying.
Everything I get mixed. Me not.
Watch out.
I could have go with it upon you like red that man then go pan. Red. Red eye bad. Him alone for have everything good in the world. I'm pretty. You not for have nothing. You not for have nothing. But say you don't know what say, me I give you one dead a joke. Come here, say, girl, let me give you one dead a joke. You don't know what say, boom. I get my partner job, I say I go buy one car, you know. You don't know what say, I say I go buy one Benz, right? The man end up never about the answer when I go buy the car from him. I get the money where could I buy it. I'll start grumble. You want to go buy Benz and you don't have a blood clot, baby. I call for you, this or that. I say, alright. Me not make no girl tell me what to do with my money. Anything on my mind tell me to do with it. I eat me a blood clot, do with it. You don't know say come here now, 10 sorry now and one day me just dead on a blood clot, you know, I'm gonna look for one car. I say the man I give me one whole car for my money. I say Jesus Christ, I better I go buy the bed. I'm run going to the furniture store, pay up for my bed. You don't know say one day that day now. Get the last jar now in and say, alright, make up the money and put on the money I have and make a buy one car. Make the boy bring me down to the place. Then you say the wrong thing that me do, I should have take one taxi go about my business. When me make the boy bring me go down there now, you don't know so me see one car on my life. And I could have buy that car there, you know. The boy I bring me go take one whole big blood clot, man. And me I say me don't like that one day, you don't like a nice one. They look about it nice. Here, no man that one they big, that one they big, but me say me don't like that one day, they big. Me don't say, listen to me not buy no vehicle. Worse the man, I'll go tell me, say now, you know, if me buy the vehicle, me have to get somebody with this document and that document, then for come drive it off. And remember, me not have them the document already back. So me I got to spare my money and me can't go get the vehicle for drive. Me say, listen to me, you know what? Bring me go back up on my yard. Me no bother buy nothing. All them a talk and them a go on and them a go this and them a go that. Me proud in myself and nobody boy can make me not feel proud. You understand? Sometimes it's not everything you do you gonna let people know. You understand? And sometimes you have to learn to hold your blood clot on. And me I want batty boy who can hold my own. Matty man knows that. You understand? They all knows that Big One is a boy that can hold his fucking own. How are the blood clot this woman send me? The address is somewhere near.
Turn around this, sir.
Look, turn around we are. I'm not for turn now. They see the address right here, sir. Right here, sir. So there's someone close right here, sir. So you're going to come out of the car. You're going to come out of the car and you're going to look for the building them which one of them and see the number pan. And go in there. The number for the place where she give you 1357. Don't call out the street.
Over that and then because see 135 136 yeah. So I want to go over there.
The car now?
Wait, so what on the man? 135
over there.
1375 1375 alright, sure. Yeah, the back so 1375.
You tell us the name of the road there, they say, "Chum, no one call it out." Blood clot, you're rough.
But all me I go around there so now and it's a one-way road. I'm not seeing a way to enter from right there so.
No,
So you don't come out and walk across the road there
so
so
now go park.
when me I go park then must say so we have stop.
Go back round and do what you do then. You're hard for deal with though.
You hard for deal with. So I park this here, sir.
So this is your one part, this big one?
I'm going to park there. Can
And over there so you can park.
Over where? I pay for going out the people them
You
places.
can park on the roadside blood clot over there, sir.
I went that woman had sorry on my brain fan. She said my brain there so I want to chase the batty boy. I'm going to look up in our people car. Our police come give me ticket now. See it there? See blood clot there?
Yeah, because you just push it.
Because you're too much.
You don't look, you just push through. Because you're concentrating on live.
I done off of the live a long time coming and talk to the people them on the live now. Them are fasting on my business now. Them are listen with them not fair here now. You understand? But it's okay, I'm a friend them can listen.
Are you press a live for them here?
Yeah, wow, them for listen this.
Come not to you forward.
Me I go over there so I go buy one cigarette.
Make sure you take out the key out of the car.
She's not going like you, I'm going to dance course.
You just tell you because your head not there, you're up on it. Wait till
you're not going in the blood clot building if you're going in the building, girl.
Lock the key, lock off the car, because yesterday I have to tell you lock off the car.
The car lock off when you tell me lock it off. You either to come out of the car.
Take one or not there, thief the car because it's Spanish.
You don't know them could have teeth it and you left it off.
You have to reverse the car. You cannot let the car park in front of somebody's driveway.
I want to drive where this?
Go back on the tree.
You know, shut down. When the bumper clock is.
I want that girl and I go about her business, man. And I make me and her for throw it down. Like how that big fat boy and her answer. She want me to 100 blood clot thing. Let me reverse and park and go get my cigarette, huh? I'm lucky man up on live, now nothing to do with me. Hello, him call my name. I know the people that are going to video record it. And me I go blood clot seat and me I go come deal with him. And then one time that shot and come to you and say lend me it. And you never give me a channel how much time you say lend and I say take it. Go. Go Shannon, it's yours. It all come out. You know, say that something here. It made my foot hurt me.
Yeah.
Because, let me tell you, because you see, when I walk too much, it hurts. When I walk, you, I don't know nobody. You, Batty boy. Yeah. Anything I do in America, I do it for myself. I have no family to do it for me, I no friend. Anything where you see Big One do, he do it by himself. You know, so once we buy cigarettes to smoke, and me have something where me can drink, me good. And me eat on my belly full, me good. Come you, Kamanagi. Me now will.
See, my friend now tells me about for art.
Now we have good time, I'm there.
We're so cool. We're in America. We're Americans. We cool now.
Now we have good time, I'm there. Can you see the way I'm going to give it?
Nah. Stop him, mother girl.
Nah, push him. Him not push no. Not push no weight. Me and Humpty Dumpty can't have no because I never ball in them time they for push him off of the wall. Me and Humpty Dumpty can't have no because I never ball in them the long time days they for push him off of the wall. Me young, me are just 25 of age. So me couldn't push off Humpty Dumpty off of the wall. Them the time there. Humpty Dumpty sat up on the wall, all the king houses, all the king man. Humpty Dumpty drop and have a great fall. How that some of them go? You remember how that go when you used to go to school and teacher used to tell you Humpty Dumpty sat up on the wall? I don't even remember blood clot that. Nigga come off alive because guess what? I have some shot to see. I have some shot to see. Shannon, you feel so Tennessee. The people about Tennessee change for look a bit. Shots up on the sidewalk. You for glad say Tennessee make Big One change look a bit. Now only people. Oh, you for glad say Big One change look a bit at Tennessee and now want to do the bag of excitement and judgment. Can you know? Shannon, you know you keep up, can't manage. You couldn't manage, yeah? Well, you're on gone for life. You're on gone for life. I go on like a portion.
I know goodly.
Shannon, you're on a portion. Everybody don't say anything what me want.
I'm obsession.
I have to get it one way or another. You understand?